what is the domain of a knowledge worker, knowledge practitioner? It's not knowledge of survival, not knowledge of world. Is it knowledge of doing or is it knowledge of being or something?
It is actually, see, a knowledge practitioner is reflexing between these two. This is called reflexive knowledge. He is reflexing between being and doing and being. That is a knowledge worker. He turns, he looks at his being and he shifts doing, and he looks at doing and shifting. So he plays in that space between doing and being. That's what I said, it's a very sophisticated subject. Once you enter that, then it opens up a new pathway. So people who are moving from year to year may be called knowledge practitioners. That means they are already experts in the world, in something, they have done very well in something. Now they are ready to go to the next level. These are actually, if I may say, the elite of the world at one level. Because they are the people who can contribute most, they are the contributor elite of the world. Because they have already mastered some capabilities and therefore can serve effectively. And then they want to go into the knowledge of being. So their service then becomes, their actions or their competence gets imbued with a deep sense of service. What a wonderful bunch of group they are, right?
But if they have this intention, otherwise they may bask in the wisdom.
No, then that is if they, from doing, if they are only using it for surviving and acquiring more in the world, then won't turn ho jayega. But if they use that for going towards being, then they become special people, no? And they are the people who can do maximum for the world. People who are in the pure knowledge of being may not be able to do so much for the world. But these people do the best for the world.
Because they will make a direct impact.
That's correct. They will make a direct impact but out of being. So it is aligned to this.
Yeah.
So whatever be your domain of competence, in that domain of competence you can make a 10 times more impact if you operate from here. Your capacity to act actually multiplies.
And the difference between that and the lower two is in lower two you do it for yourself, but here you do it for others. That's
Yes,
what the impact is.
That's right. You do it for the sake of others then.
Knowledge of survival and knowledge of the world you will do, but you do for yourself.
And
others may not benefit.
And because you do for yourself, your impact will also be limited.
Yeah.
Here the family is with the spirit of being.
Yeah, and because it is an evolutionary work. So this is when it turns like this. Let me now put it in a different way. If it is faces like this, it is evolutionary work. And if it faces like this, then it is actually work which is likely to be dissipated of your energies. You slowly dissipate your energies over time. It's not sustainable in the long run because your competencies get rusted. Some new competencies may come, but which then you don't have, and you get locked up more and more by the world and what it gives you. You are occupied with that.